We're talking about ordering something that comes as a dozen or a gross, but that's really just a way of having you work in base 12. Now you might order pencils as a dozen or gross, or eggs, or, of course, Mardi Gras beads. Say you wanted to order 1,242. Well, how many gross is that? How many dozen is it? How many singles are left over? Okay, let's consider the powers of 12. Anything to the 0 power, 12 to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 1 power is itself. 12 squared, 12 times 12 is 144, and 12 cubed is way too much. We can't get 1,728 out of 1,242. But we can talk about how many sets of 144 there are. To do so, let's start with division. We divide 1,242 by 144. The quotient is 8. We multiply 8 times 144. That product is 1,152. When we subtract, the difference is 90. What that means is that there are 8 gross in 1,242. Now I want to know, well, how many dozens will there be? Let's take that result, 90, and divide by 12. 12 goes into 90 7 times. 7 times 12, when you multiply, you've got 84. Your difference is 6. So I do know that there are 8 gross from our previous work. Now I know 7 dozen and 6 units. What you've actually just done is to convert 1,242 to base 12. The end.